Hey YouTube, what is going on? Brandon here with another printer ink installation video. Today we're installing the ink on the Epson XP 6100. Really all you're needing to do here is match up the color, match up the copper on the ink cartridge and on the print head, and then you're just going to drop it and click it in place. I'm going to give you a close-up here in just a moment, but you're going to do the same thing with each of the colors. This is a very, very easy process. And if you wanted to see an unboxing video on the printer itself, I'm going to leave a link in the description below for that. Also, the print quality. There's going to be a video for that also in the description below, along with a link for some remanufactured and less expensive Epson ink and a link to the printer itself. So a lot of information, a lot of resources for you in the description below. And as you see there, you can easily get confused with these ink cartridges, but really you just need to match it up, make sure that all the numbers are facing the same direction, and you just click it in place. That's really all you need to do. It's really that simple. If you have any questions about this process, comment below. But at this point, you should be able to continue with the rest of your setup. You should be able to close the scanner and move to the next phase, which is going to take about 10 minutes for you to process the printer to process the ink. And that's really all there is to it, guys. Please make sure to like this video, subscribe for more content like this, and thank you so much for watching. Until next time.